Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube video where we explore the world of menu design services on Fiverr, the leading online marketplace connecting businesses with talented designers. And for the people that this is the first time hear about Fiverr, is a popular online marketplace that connects freelancers with clients seeking various services. So to get started with this service on Fiverr, simply head on over to Menu Design Fiverr and choose the first link. So like you see with me here, this is the homepage or the interface of the website where you can find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need, and also the search bar over here, the notification inbox, and the lists, and also the order list from here, and your setting of accounts here. And I show you before how to create an account on my channel. You can just come back to the last videos to find how to create an account on Fiverr. Here you will find your profile, or post a request, refer a friend, or if you want to become a seller, and also the setting, that means password, photo of the profile, username, and the information about the billing and the payments, and if you want to change the language and the currency, and also if you have any problem you can just go to the help center if you want to log out. So this is results that I have about the menu design. I have 5,451. It's a very big number that you can filter it or minimize it by this filter option here. The first one is by service option. You have the purpose, the restaurants, or the price list, or other bar. Like you see, if like example, choose the price list, it will become 280 or 28 results, and also the style, typographic, illustration, hand drawn, other chalkboard. You can just click to the service, and after that click on apply to activate the filter. And you have about the service include file ready for print, source file, photo editing, custom graphics. For the seller detail, we have their level, top rated seller and the new seller, and usually the new seller have more cheap gigs than the top rated seller, and the language that the seller speak, or the localization for the seller. Now for the budget, that means price, you can just write your minimum price here and your maximum price here, and after that click on apply. And for the delivery time, you have these 4 options: express 24 hours, up to 3 days, or up to 7 days, or you have no problem with the delivery time. Now you have also these 2 small options, the local sellers and the online sellers. Now let's suppose that you like a gig from this one here, and you want to keep it for later. You can just click on this small heart to add it to the list to find it later in your list here. So now let me show you how to buy a gig. Let's suppose that you want to buy this one. You need just to click on it before or after you read this information here: the price, how many person are by the gig, how many star he gets, who is the seller, and which is his level. So I will click on the gig, and you can read the video from here. And after that you need just to read the information, and here you will find the seller, he is online or offline. This one is great, that means he is offline. Which when you see it green, that means he is online. And you need to read this information about the gig and the information about the seller, that means the country, the languages that he talk, or from when he is member in Fiverr, all the last delivery. And also you have some overviews from another person about the seller or about the gig or about the service. You need just to read them to get sure from if you want it or not. Now, the first step that you need to do to buy the gig is to choosing a plan. You have 3 plans here. Basic is the most cheap one, standard, and premium. So for the basic one is with $20, you will save up to 5% with the subscript save, awesome one-side menu, promotional online post, 3 days delivery, and unlimited revision. You have files ready for print and you will get 1 page. The standard one will be in or with $40. You will also save up to 5% with the subscribe to save. Popular one side or front at the back double side menu, the 3 days delivery and unlimited revision, files ready for print, and 2 pages. The premium is the most expensive one. It will be in $60. You save up to 5% with the subscribe to save. Amazing foldable menu like B-fold, 3-fold menu. You have 3 days delivery and unlimited revision. You will get photo editing, files ready for print, 6 pages and source file. So after you read all that and choose the perfect plan for you, you need just to click on continue and choose the quantity that you want from the gig, of course with their own price. And you have this additional services with their own price, of course, extra fast 2 days delivery and source file. To add it, you need just to click on this small place here and price will get a difference. Now, before you give them your information about the payment card, you need to read this information here, the services, the total that you will pay, the delivery time, and after that you need to go to choose the payment method. We have 2 methods here, by credit and debit card or by PayPal. If you choose this one, you need to enter your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. You will find in front of the card the expiration date, the month, the year, the security code over here, the first and the last name, and they should be legal. And after that you need to confirm and pay from here. And if you choose the PayPal, you need to click on PayPal checkout to complete the other steps. So I hope you get understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.